Today is 7th of December 2020 and the day is Monday. Monday is the first day of the week. Okay. Now we start our day with the name of Allah and some prayers, articles and some duas. So are you ready?
Yes.
Are you
Yes.
ready?
Yes.
I'm not hearing the voices. मुझे तो आवाज ही नहीं आ रही. Then we start our. ये किसका लंच बॉक्स है? आपका है? It's yours, Ahmed? Okay, Miss Ashi, start recitation.
Everyone hear my voice clearly? सबको आवाज आ रही है मेरी?
Yes, voice is there, but very low. Voice is there, but very low.
Okay, now clear?
Yes, better.
Okay.
Now fold your arms.
everyone.
और से छोटी जगह बढ़ा दी.
Siran, permit to me to share the screen. Now fold your arms, everyone. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Pray for knowledge. Rabbi zidni ilma. O Lord, increase me in knowledge. Article number 1. पहला कलमा तैयब. तैयब माने पाक. ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाहु मुहम्मदुर रसूलुल्लाह. Translation. There is no God beside Allah and Muhammad, peace be upon him, is the prophet of Allah. Article number 2. दूसरा कलमा शहादत. शहादत माने गवाही. अशहदु अल्ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाहु वहदहु ला शरीका लहु व अशहदु अन्ना मुहम्मदन अब्दहु व रसूलुहु. Translation. There is no God beside Allah and Muhammad, peace be upon him, is the prophet of Allah. Now, article number 3. तीसरा कलमा तामजिद. तामजिद माने बुजुर्गी. सुब्हानल्लाहि वल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि वला इलाहा इल्लल्लाहु वल्लाहु अकबर वला हौला वला कुव्वता इल्ला बिल्लाहिल अलियुल अज़ीम. Translation. Glory be to Allah and praises to Allah, and there is none worthy of worship but Allah. And Allah is the greatest, and there is no might or power except with Allah, the exalted and the great one. Glory to be Allah.
मिस आशी,
Glory
आप
be to Allah.
वो रिसाइट करें जो मैंने प्लानिंग में आपको दिया है ना.
Glory is for Allah and all praises for Allah, and there is none worthy of worship except Allah. And Allah is greatest, and there is no strength except from Allah, the Most High and the Most Great. Sadaqallahul Azim. Now oral counting starts, everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Now everyone count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Now everyone learn ONE1. ONE1, TWO2, THR, FOUR4, FIVE5, SIX6, SEVEN7, SEVEN7, EIG, HT8, EIG, HT8, EIG, HT8, NINE9, 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 TEN10, TEN10, ONE1, TWO2, THR, EE3, FOUR4, FIVE5, ONE1, TWO2, THREE3, FOUR4, FIVE5, FIVE5, SIX6, SIX6, SEVEN7, SEVEN7, EIG, HT8, NINE9, TEN10, SIX6, SIX6, SEVEN7, EIG, HT8, EIG, HT8, NINE9, NINE9, TEN10, TEN10. Who is the founder of Pakistan? Who is the founder of Pakistan? Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Very good, Abdullah, Hassan Abdullah. Who is the founder of Pakistan? Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah is the founder of Pakistan. And what is his sister name?
Fatima Bibi.
What is his sister name? Fatima Jinnah. What is his sister name?
Fatma Jinnah.
Fatima Jinnah.
Fatma Ali Jinnah.
Fatima Jinnah. Fatima Jinnah. And we called it Madre Millat. What we called it? Madre Millat.
Madre Millat.
Madre Millat.
Madre Millat.
What is his sister
Madre
name?
Millat.
What is Quaid-e-Azam's sister name?
Madre Millat.
Sister name. What is the sister name?
Fatima Jinnah. And we called it Madre Millat. Very good.
She called Madre Millat.
Madre Millat.
Yes.
Called Madre Millat.
The name of that lady is
Madre
Fatima
Millat.
Jinnah.
Fatma Ali
Okay,
Jinnah.
Madre Millat.
Madre Millat.
Now jolly phonic rhyme, everyone. Learn with me.
Madre Millat.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, L, M, N,
U
Q,
R
R, S,
S
T,
T
U, V, W, X, Y, Z. U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time you will sing with me. Next time you will sing with me. Ab, ha, ja, ga, ha, I, ja, ga, o, ha, here is Tom. O, ha, here is Tom. Wa,
नाबिया पढ़े आप
ya,
नाबिया
wa, x, ya,
Awa
X yaz
X
Very good. Very nice.
Okay, now we will repeat the CBC word, am word.
Yes, we can repeat it.
CBC words
Am words.
A B C D E F G I J K L M N
ये क्या है क्या लिखा है
Now everyone do the action and learn with him. Okay?
Ram yam ram clam
We can't hearing the voice, Miss Iram.
पढ़ो
Jam
jam
Jam Jam
Jam. Am.
Jam
Ham. Am.
Jam
Ram.
Ram
Cl. Am.
नाबिया उधर
Clam.
clam
Lamb.
Lamb
In the am family. When you
Am word.
them, they can write and read. Full. Am.
Slam.
slam
Lamb
slam
Lamb
Am.
Sam.
sam
Sam Sam
Am.
and
Cram.
Sam
Sir and cram
Ram
Cram. Tur. Am. Tram.
tram and tram
Am. Bam.
and bam
We
Am. Bam.
Bum
family. When you learn them, they can help you write and read. Now you read the words and say them out loud.
बच्चों को भी खिलाओ बच्चों को भी खिलाओ बच्चों को भी खिलाओ
Say it.
Hand.
Ham,
Ram.
ram,
Ram.
ram, ram. Clam, 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 clam.
Lamb.
Slam, slam,
Sam.
sam,
Ram. Tram.
गाड़ी लेके फेंक दूंगी आपकी
Learn lots of words in the AM family. They can help you write and read. It's fun learning words in the AM family.
रखो गाड़ी जेब में रख लो
टीचर देख रही है कि आप पढ़ रही हो मुझसे गाड़ी चला रहे हो
देखो जेब में ये गई
He says, when you read and learn, you are able to write. Or always teacher also say to you, when you read, you are
red
able to
color
write.
red
Now
color
read the flashcards.
green color
Red.
yellow color
Miss,
नादिया,
share it.
जो पढ़ा रही है ना वो पढ़
Miss, share it. Miss Ashi, share the screen.
Miss, wait.
हमारे पूरे स्टैंड टेबल बना के रखूं
बच्ची लोग जाएं।
हैव हमारे कैब क्यों बना दिया
Okay, now everyone
Now read
read
it, everyone.
her, am, ham. Her,
घर देखना
am,
नादिया
ham.
ham
This is a sound and this is a CVC word. When we will write two words together, this is
Word,
making a CVC word. Her, am,
word.
ham.
ham
Ham.
ham
Am, ram.
ham
Am, ram. Am, ram.
ram
Ya, am, yam.
yam
Am, yam. J, am,
जोर से
jam.
पढ़ो ना
J, am, jam. J, am, dam. J, am, dam. B, am, bam. B,
bam
am, bam.
bam
K, clam. K, clam.
clam
Am, cram.
clam
Am, cram.
cram
Swam.
m
Am, swam. Am, slam.
slam
Am, slam.
slam
Slam. Okay, now that is enough. Ham, ram, yam, jam, dam,
bam
bam,
bam
clam,
ram
cram, swam, clam, slam. Sorry. This is we are reading to the flashcard am word. These are am word. Today we are reading now am word. Don't be confused. We will reading every day now. Okay.
Now come to the written work. First of all, you bring your literacy U copy and
Urdu copy. Yes, take
your
out the Urdu
new
copy.
numeracy worksheet pack. Your new numeracy worksheet pack and Urdu copy. Bring your new numeracy worksheet pack and Urdu copy. And why you all are not submitted the copy today? I just received from the 2 students. Where is the others one?
वाली कॉपी लेके आनी है एबीसीडी वाली
No ABCD wali nahi. Alif be wali.
tomorrow
Tomorrow is not a day, bete. Today is Monday and Wednesday.
tomorrow सब
Numeracy worksheet pack. the new numeracy worksheet pack and Urdu copy.
न्यू कॉपी ये चिकन न्यू कॉपी मंगा ली यार
टीचर ये वाली
टीचर ये वाली
Yes, this one.
First one,
नहीं लेना
new
कल लेके नहीं बोल के टीचर ने मंगवा ली
page number 1 as formation of 6.
Six.
Number 6.
हमके पास टेक्स्ट नहीं है
हेलो मैम
You didn't take from the school?
4 5
जैन की मम्मा कुछ कह रही हैं।
जी
जी जी बोले।
ये पैक तो आपके पास है सारे।
मैंने तो 4 days बिफोर ही मैसेज कर दिया था कि सब कलेक्ट कर लें स्कूल से।
नहीं ये अभी आज मैंने सर जिया के हाथ भेजा है ना।
वो तो ओल्ड वन है भाभी, वो ओल्ड है। जो न्यू पैक है
ओके वो ओपन करना है।
जी, न्यू पैक का पेज नंबर 1
ओके
which has the formation of number 6.
ओके वो हमारा नेट बहुत रुक रहा है ना, तो आपकी आवाज शायद मिस हो गई थी मुझसे, मैंने भी सुनी नहीं।
कोई बात नहीं।
सॉरी।
Yes, Anabia. It's correct.
Yes,
मेरे पास नहीं है
you didn't collect from the school? अहमद,
कल
आज तुम
कल ले लूंगा
कर लेंगे तो फिर आप कैसे करेंगे आज काम? अच्छा, आपके पास मैथ्स की कॉपी है ना? You have a copy? You can do on the copy work. That is you.
अरे बड़े बड़े नोट
That is the homework. I share the copy page. मैं आपको दिखा रही हूँ. That is your homework. Wait.
कलर हुआ हुआ है यहाँ पे
Ahmed, you can open this page from the copy, okay? And write it with us. Ahmed Raza, are you listening? This page you can open and write it, okay? Do practice to write. It's only for Ahmed because Ahmed is not having the worksheet pack yet. Ahmed is doing the copy work. Because copy work is your homework, you can do in copy as a homework. Now we can follow the worksheet first. Okay, we are learning the number 6. Okay, we are which number is that? 6.
इधर देखना ना भैया क्या कह रही है टीचर।
6. Number
6 is down and must turn around. 6 is down and must turn around.
ना 6 is down.
Say with me. 6 is down
6 is down
and must turn around.
and must turn around.
Everyone speak up. Irsa, I'm not hearing your voice. Hassan Abdullah.
नहीं लिखना।
Everyone speak up. Don't write right now. Stop writing.
टीचर जो पढ़ा रही है वो
Zainab,
पढ़े पहले।
speak up, bete. Everyone speak up. Rehab,
जैन स्टॉप राइट बोल रही है।
Anabia, bete, open your video and speak with teacher. Now read the formation of number 6. Everyone. 6 is round.
6 is round.
6 is round. 6 is down and must turn around. 6 is down and must turn around.
Round.
Round.
6 is down and must
6 is down
Down.
and must around.
Down,
And
must
round.
down. Okay, ये formation is कि 6 is down, must is down. 6 is down
6 is
हो ना.
Down.
and must turn around.
And must around.
down.
Very good.
Round.
Now we can start our worksheet pack work. Everyone, first of all, write the date in the top of the worksheet. Today is 7th of December 2020. So you have to take the help from Mama and write the date in the date column. Everyone write the date here.
पाँव नीचे करो, पाँव नीचे करो.
देखो दीदी कैसे बनाई सामने देखो
लिखा.
7
यहाँ से शुरू करते हैं मम्मा।
रुक जाए, यहाँ से स्टार्ट.
December.
अभी रुक जाए,
Today
चल.
is 7 December
नीचे करो ना पाँव. हाँ दे.
2020. Okay, now what is the formation of number 6? The formation of number 6 is down, so we can put our pencil on the given dot
Around.
and comes down and must turn around. First of all, you make the dotted one. Again, look at the screen. Put the pencil in the given dot. Comes down. Six down. And must turn around.
यार उठा के.
Again, look at the screen.
आप यहाँ बैठ जाओ.
Put the pencil in the given dot. Come. 6 is down and must turn around.
6 is down.
6 is down
ये बाहर
and
की
must
जा
turn
turn around.
Again, write it. Right. 6 is down and must turn around. This is number
सही से
number 6.
Number 6.
This is number 6.
Number 8. Number 6.
Irsa, show me the work. I want to see your work.
अब्दुल्ला सही से टाइट करके पेंसिल पकड़ो
Very nice, Ahmed. And Rehab, why you are writing in the copy? You are also not collecting the worksheet pack from the school?
अभी रुक जाए.
Okay. But you worksheet from the school, so you have to complete your work, okay? Copy work is your homework work.
देखो ऐसे टाइट करके पेंसिल
After tracing the dotted one, you can write it in the hollow. Follow the same formation. Put the pencil in the given dot. 6 is down and must turn around.
पकड़ो
कहाँ जा रही है
6 is
ये?
down and must turn around.
क्या बना है यार
Done? Very nice, Anabia. Very nice, Irsa. Very nice, Hassan Abdullah. They both are writing in the same time. That's great. Zainab, I'm not
सही से बिल्कुल
watching
लाइन पे ही ना, बिल्कुल
you.
सीधा.
Come to the screen.
हाँ.
Rehab, you
सही
did
से
it?
आराम से करो, जल्दी नहीं करो.
Yes.
लेकिन
Now
जब
draw
राउंड
any
बनाओ, हाँ,
object
सही से राउंड.
in the interleaf page
हाँ.
6 times. Any one which you want to draw. You can draw the circle shape. You can draw the triangle. Pick any shape you like most, so you can draw 6 times in the interleaf page.
Can
you draw stars 6 stars
Yes, yes.
Draw 6 stars. Stars आपको आता है ना?
Zainab, come
यहाँ पे बना
here.
पहले।
I am unable to watch you. मैं आपको देख नहीं सक रही हूँ. Yes.
इधर।
Now Zainab appears.
नाबिया ये सही नहीं लिखा बेटा।
So which number we are writing today? 6. We just finished the word till number.
नहीं क्यों?
यहाँ तक हमने
उधर
लिखना है
देखा।
बस. यहाँ तक नंबर यहीं तक काम लिखना है. इनको राइटिंग हम
बाद में करवाते हैं। ये भी लिखना है। टीचर से पूछें ये भी लिखना है।
नंबर्स राइटिंग जहाँ तक है वहाँ तक हमें वर्क करना है.
ये वाला भी लिखना है भी।
You can write by yourself in a 3 times slot.
अरे ऊपर भी
सही से ट्रेसिंग क्यों आउट हो रही है? आराम है।
Like this. Okay, follow the dots.
Colors. Okay, 1 2 3 लिखें।
बनाया है।
ये बनाया ना भी आपने कैसे यू लाइन लाके यू नॉट बनाया से बनाओ। ये फिर कैसे लिखा है? यहाँ से ये लाइन आ गई, यहाँ से राउंड बनाओ, यहाँ से लाइन बनाओ, आगे लिखो।
Navia, don't go to the inwards counting. Just write the numbers only.
हाँ
Counting we can do.
कैसे बनाना है सबको? हाँ तक का हो
ये गोल नहीं बना।
Don't write in words. Navia, I'm saying something.
अभी टीचर कह रही है वर्ड्स नहीं लिखना 6.
छोटे बने इतने बड़े बड़े नाबिया। हाँ ये आपको ये वाले लिखे ना यहाँ पे।
Very neat. Very nice.
जल्दी जल्दी।
Keep your worksheet a little bit up.
बस।
Zainab,
बनाओ ना।
you didn't write the downside.
ये लिखना है मैं
थोड़ी डार्क तो करो पेंसिल, इतनी लाइट।
Very nice, Rehab. Good job.
बना देना।
Hassan Abdullah, finish your work fast and show me.
बनाया सर।
Very nice,
बता
Ahmed.
रही हूँ आपको।
Draw
पकड़ो।
any shape which you like
नहीं
more.
बना रहे थे लेकिन आपने वो
Next
ऊपर
time.
बनाया था।
Mentally
वो
fit.
यहाँ तक लेकर आओ ये वाली
Nabia
लाइन।
Ahmed, you also.
यूं घुमा दो। ऐसे बनेगा। बड़ा बनाओ।
Yes. Ahmed, you write it. Now draw 6. Any shape. ये कौन है? Irsa.
सही से